Hey guys, it's Erin. I just wanted to mention before this video that I'm going to be doing a voiceover since it's been 2 years now, and I guess it's time for a voice reveal, and I'm also really lazy to write all the captions. And the reason I sound so crusty and my words aren't coming out that good is because it's late. Don't at me. Yeah, so today I'm making this really delicious, simple recipe by Joshua Weissman. You guys should definitely check out his channel because he is an awesome cook and a comedian as well. So you have to peel the skins of these pears, and now you're getting a really good look at my hairy hands. Yep. Oh guys, check out this really satisfying thing. Wow. Oh my goodness.
Wow.
Gee, so satisfying.
Wow.
Oh, by the way, you guys can relax. I didn't even cut my hand once. So now you're just gonna slice the pears in half. Less violently than I did, I hope. Now you're just gonna scoop out the inside using an ice cream scooper. And wow, that is so satisfying. I can't even right now. Okay, preheat your oven to 400 degrees. And in a pan, just put 1/4 cup butter. Melt that in the oven. And when I took it out of the oven, it was like sputtering like crazy. And now on your pan, sprinkle 1 cup of brown sugar evenly all over the pan. So now this is the point where you're supposed to be putting the pears. It's so embarrassing because I made this recipe like 300 times, and the one time I'm trying to act professional, I mess up and I forget the pears. I literally forgot to put the pears into the pan, and it came out looking something like this. So I'm making my second batch, and yeah, I'm wasting a lot of butter today. Okay, here's the legendary moment. I place the pears into the pan. Now just bake that for 25 minutes at 400 degrees. So after the 25 minutes are done, you are going to spoon the sauce over the pears every 2 minutes for 10 minutes in total. So now we're going to be setting up the plates. First we're using yogurt. Whoa. Oh my goodness. No! I honestly don't even know what's wrong with me today. I don't know. So now you're just gonna take a big spoonful of yogurt and just slide it gently. So now you can just drizzle some sauce and sprinkle some granola, and you got yourself a 5-star visually good dish. Honestly, it's like so good. Like the pear is so warm and so like sweet, and it like tastes so good with the tanginess of the yogurt. Oh my goodness, it's beautiful. Anyways, tell me if you guys liked my voiceover. I mean, it's really different from the videos that I made before, but I'm trying to do something new. Yep. Anyways, bye.